Hello, good afternoon. I am discussing about structure and properties. A general opinion of chemists adopted by textbook is that in chemistry, structure is a central concept, the key to everything. Properties of the given substance depend on the number and nature of its constituting atoms. Structure is the central concept, the key of everything. Properties of the given substance depend on the number and nature of its constituting atoms and their mode of connection, connectedness. After having defined the concept of structure, we will proceed to discuss correlation of structure and properties with special emphasis on the special features of structure and properties. Orbit or orbit or cell is a fixed part along which electrons revolve around the atom's nucleus. Orbital, a volume of space about the nucleus of an atom where there is a high probability of finding an electron is known as orbital. Atomic orbitals. Atomic orbitals are mathematical functions that provide information about the nature of electrons or pair of electrons that exist around the atomic nuclei. Atomic orbitals have characteristics of quantum numbers. An orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons which possess the same energy but opposite spins. There are different types of orbitals called sp, d, and f. Subcell, yes. One s orbital, p, px, py, 3. P orbital, d, dz square, dx square, y square, dxy, dyz, dzx. Part d orbitals, f, dx cube, y cube, dy cube, dz cube, dz x square, y square, dx y square, z square, dy x square, z square, f x, y, z. 7. F orbitals. Hybrid orbitals, an orbital formed by the combination of 2 or more atomic orbitals. Hybrid orbitals are formed by hybridization. Hybridization, it is the concept of intermixing of orbitals of atoms having same energy to give exactly equivalent orbitals with same energy, identical shape, and symmetrical orientation in space. Example, sp1, sp2, and sp3. Sorry, sp1, sp2, and sp3. That is sp. sp1 means one s orbital and one p orbital. This means one s orbital and 2p orbital, and one s orbital and 3p orbital, sp3, sp2, and sp. Molecular orbitals in chemistry, molecular orbitals is mathematical functions describing the wave-like behavior of an electron in a molecule. A melting point, it is the temperature at which a solid is in equilibrium with its liquid phase at standard pressure and above which the solid melts. It is the temperature at which it changes state from solid to liquid. For example, water changes into ice. Ice changes into liquid. That is the melting point. Thanks for watching. Thank you for the patience. That's now. Bye-bye. See you again.